So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do the eyebrow look. It's pretty simple. Here I'm showing you guys what products I'm using. All of this will be in the description box below. But I start off fluffing my brows. This is going way too fast. I'm sorry guys, but I start off fluffing my brows. I forgot to make an intro, but that's okay. Then I take my dark brown eyebrow pencil and I start off with like a little tail in the front of my eyebrows. You'll see in the end why I do that, to get like a little illusion spot, and also but to help me draw the line how big or how small I want my eyebrows to start off as. Okay, and then I'll show you the top one too. So with the top one, I don't use a long tail like how I did at the bottom of it. And then there's where after I draw my eyebrow, I just fill it in. However you want it, lightly or dark. I kind of go like mid, more so dark towards the end, light in the front. And then I just take my eyebrow brush and I fluff it a little bit more. Like I said, I want it like a little lighter in the front and more so darker in the back. And then here I am taking my, I think that's like a lip brush. And then I take my concealer and then I put my concealer on the brush. And then after I put my concealer on the brush, sorry guys, I had to come back. I basically use that to define my eyebrows, make them as big and as small as I want. There I am starting with that part where the tail is at. I start going underneath it at first before I actually go on it, just to see again how big or small I want them. So I usually start off with, again, tracing my eyebrows first. Even though they're kind of big right now, I start off tracing them and then I go back in and make them kind of, you know, smaller to make it look kind of more natural in a way. So yeah, if you haven't already, you guys should follow my Instagram and my TikTok down below. And if you guys haven't subscribed yet, what are you doing? We're already locked in, twin, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button and don't forget to click the bell to get notified too. But anyway, we're back to the video. Ooh, child, this clip long. But here I am showing you guys. So I made the bottom half a little bit smaller. I'm showing you guys how I lined it up. And then here I am again taking some more concealer and more concealer and putting it on a brush. And then I'm going to go start off with my top again, starting to trace the top before I actually start to I can't find the words, before I actually start to, you know, break down the eyebrow. Sorry guys, I can't talk today. Yeah, so here I am outlining the eyebrow. Gotta make it crisp. And right here, I kind of messed up a little bit, but I'm going to go in with my pencil again, and I'm going to fix that. I think I did it off camera, but yeah, I for sure went in and fixed that with my pencil because my hand kind of jerked and it kind of went down, and it kind of messed it up, the outline. Oh, so I did. Okay, so here's the pencil, and I'm kind of like filling it back into when I messed it up. Don't worry. Again, guys, makeup, that's the beautiful thing about makeup. You can always start over, and Sometimes when you start over, it actually look better. So don't get discouraged or don't get upset. Just start over, sis. But here again, I'm taking my eyebrow pencil. This is the trick that I like to do. This is how I make my little illusion in the front. So I like to take my eyebrow pencil and kind of brush some of the concealer up in the front of my eyebrow. And then I go in with my brush and I blend it in. So yep, just keep blending and blending and blending until, you know, you get like how you want your brows. I think I'm like an over blender. And here in this clip, I don't know why I did it so many times, but here in this clip, I'm basically telling you when you start to blend your concealer in your when you start to blend your concealer, Jesus, make sure you lift your brow up as you're doing it. It kind of helps so you can see if you see any imperfections, you can just like use the brush to kind of like smooth it in. And here again, this brush right here is basically your best friend when it comes to doing eyebrows, okay? Now here I'm fixing it up, moving some hairs how I want them. It'd be better if your eyebrows was kind of already like waxed or threaded. Mine's need a good thread, but you know, I'm tired. I'll make it do what it do, babes, and it comes out good every time. But yeah, this is the finished result of doing the brow. And then after I get done with my brows, like I said, if it's an everyday look where I just put some lashes on, some lip gloss, and some liner, I do this. I get my makeup wipe, and then I just start to wipe the concealer off. Please ignore my faces that I make when I do this. It's really just concentration. But yeah, get that makeup wipe, girl. Wipe that concealer off of there, and you ready to go. Shoot. But this is like years in makeup. Try to, if you're a beginner, try to go like really slow. Hit them corners, hit them little edges spot to where you can really clean it up, and you're good. And here, all I'm doing is just showing you, you know, how I do it. Just cleaning it up. This clip is long. But yeah, girl, just clean up them eyebrows. But if you are doing a full makeup look, then you can completely just skip this part. Like, don't do this part because you're going to put your foundation over it. So it really won't make sense to, you know, just take your makeup wipe and wipe it off. Now, some girlies do use, like, at the bottom concealer for their brows and then at the top foundation. Like I said, I've been doing the same routine look for years now. So I'm going to keep doing it how I know how to do it. This is how I do my eyebrows. Some days are better than some. But this is just, at least I hope you got the gist of it. But these is how I do my eyebrows. I've been doing my eyebrows since I was like 15. I'm 25 now. But this is how I do my eyebrows when I do my makeup look, or if I just want to do brows and lashes and a little bit of eyeliner for like an everyday look. This is my go-to. I haven't changed up my routine. Like I said, I've been doing it since I was 15 years old. So this is my brow look. Somebody asked for, like, I get a lot of people asking for me. I get a lot of people asking how I do my brows. What do I use to do my brows? And like I've been doing the same brow routine for years. I do it on my sisters. My sisters love how I do my eyebrows. I taught them how to do their eyebrows like mine. And yeah, this is my eyebrow look. Like simple, clean. And yeah, and a little bit of illusion. I like this little part like up right here. A little bit of illusion. There's literally no hair there. At least no eyebrow hair there. And I do like a little illusion, so I just look like kind of like, I don't know the words for it, but it's cute and I like it, and I hope you guys like it. If you did, go ahead and leave your girl a like down below. And yeah, and then comment what other beauty tips or beauty hacks or whatever you guys want down below in the comment section. And everything that I use will be in the description box. Thank you. Love you guys. Bye.